What if you could significantly reduce the frequency and severity of your asthma attacks? Yes, we're talking about asthma attack prevention, a topic of paramount importance for countless individuals worldwide. By gaining a thorough understanding of asthma and learning how to manage it effectively, we can take significant strides towards a life less hindered by this condition. In this journey towards better health, we'll outline the crucial steps to help you ward off asthma attacks. Preventing asthma attacks is possible, and today we will explore how. Asthma is a chronic condition that affects the airways in the lungs. It's like a twisty tunnel, but when asthma kicks in, this tunnel narrows down, making it harder for air to pass through. This can make you feel like you're trying to breathe through a straw. Asthma is often triggered by certain environmental factors, like dust, pollen, smoke, or even stress. These triggers can cause the lining of the airways to become inflamed and the muscles around them to tighten, leading to an asthma attack. The key to managing asthma is understanding your triggers. Each person's triggers are unique, much like fingerprints. Some people might find that cold air sets off their asthma, while others might react to pet dander or certain fragrances. By identifying and avoiding these triggers, you can keep your airways open and breathe easier. Knowing your triggers is the first step in preventing asthma attacks. So let's take that step together, shall we? Now that we understand what asthma is and what can trigger an attack, we can discuss how to prevent them. Step 1. Avoid triggers. Things like dust mites, pollen, smoke, and certain foods can trigger asthma attacks. If you know what these triggers are, you can take steps to avoid them. Step 2. Take your prescribed medication. This might include inhalers or oral medications. Make sure to use them as directed by your healthcare provider. Step 3. Monitor your symptoms. Keep track of any changes in your breathing, coughing, or wheezing. If you notice any worsening symptoms, reach out to your healthcare provider right away. And finally, Step 4. Create an asthma action plan. This is a customized plan that outlines what to do when you're feeling well, when your symptoms are getting worse, and when you're having an asthma attack. By following these steps, you can take control of your asthma and reduce the frequency and severity of your attacks. Preventing asthma attacks is not only possible, but it's within your control. We've walked through the steps together, understanding your asthma, recognizing triggers, and tailoring a management plan. Each step is pivotal, playing a unique role in effectively managing this condition. Understanding helps in accepting, and recognizing triggers helps in avoiding. A management plan, on the other hand, equips you to react appropriately when unavoidable triggers surface. Remember, understanding your triggers and managing your asthma effectively is the key to preventing attacks. Take control of your asthma today.